There's something incredibly special about walking into a school and immediately feeling welcomed. I had the absolute pleasure of visiting Nokomis and Neeta Schools in Medford Lakes, New Jersey, where I presented my NOKO Bust Bullying assemblies, and what a wonderful experience! From the warm welcome I received from the staff to the enthusiasm and participation of the students, I felt so grateful to be there. But we didn't just talk about bullying, we talked about kindness, empathy, courage, inclusion, and what it really means to stand up for one another. And most importantly, students left with practical lessons they can carry beyond the assembly. A heartfelt thank you to Nokomis and Neeta Schools for inviting Noko the Knight and I into your school communities. New Jersey schools and those beyond, October is Anti-Bullying Month and the Week of Respect is fast approaching. If you're looking for engaging, meaningful assemblies for your students that they will remember, consider bringing NOKO Bust Bullying to your school. I look forward to seeing you soon.